Hey everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody. I'm here with an unboxing video for you today. I actually have quite a few videos I'm filming today, so you should be seeing a lot coming out in the next week and a half or so. My office is kind of imploding at the moment. You can't see anything here on screen because I moved everything off of this section of my desk and piled it up on the chair to my other desk. I actually have 3 desks in my office. And then I have stuff piled all around my desk. You just can't see them. So I've got lots of things to film and work on, so I should be quite busy the next couple days or so. So I want to go ahead and unbox this August 2020 kit for you. I have finished working with my June kit and I put the last little bits of it here into my July kit, and so I will be working with this. I've only used 1 die cut so far from the July kit, but other than that the July kit is still intact. So I will be working with this July kit and a few of the June leftovers in the next project or so, but I also already got my August kit in, so I wanted to share that with you before I start using it. I of course have my August card that came in the kit. I've got my monthly kit packaging, and then we've got our 2 sheets of die cuts here. Super cute. We've got tea, today, favorite, some hearts, arrows, a brand new day, stay cool, real life, number 1. I like this. This actually is a little page flag. Ignore this. I had a blister and burned myself, and it's healing. It just looks kind of bad. Got some hearts, some labels. Then this one says awesome, radiate kindness, all I need here is right. All I need is right here. I read that backwards. All I need is right here. Heat wave, celebrating the last days of summer, and favorite part of the day. So those are our die cuts. We also have 3 4x6 cards. We have Remember with lots of labels. I really like this one. I'm really loving all the 4x6 cards this month, actually. Usually I'm really drawn to the 3x4 cards, but the 4x6 ones have my attention this month. We've got some Polaroids here. Photograph notes and photograph notes. I love that because I actually use my Life printer a lot, and it's a prints in 2x3 size, so I can make some little 2x2 squares and put them in here. And then we've got this one, which is just a red pattern. It's got it's really an orange grid here, and you can put it either way with the label. So there are those cards. Let me set those aside, and then I will show you the 3x4 cards. This is my absolute favorite one. I think that I will be doing some documenting of Kaylin doing at-home virtual school here in the next little bit with that one, most likely. And these are all single-sided, by the way, if you're not familiar with Elle Studio cards. The kit cards are single-sided. If you buy any of her collection sets, a lot of times the cards will be double-sided. Got some stars. Yay, fun. I really like this. I really like small journaling lines, and this has 1 to 10. That would be really nice to use on a page with a lot of different photos. Currently loving, eating, reading, watching, listening, creating, and date. Some stars. This one again can go either direction. Photograph notes, again mimicking the Polaroid frame. Currently obsessed with. And this is a different red than that, as you can see, but it really goes well together because it still has that grid kind of motif. 3 things right now. You make the sun shine brighter. Some labels. Today was a tough day. I feel like that could also go with the school layout. Some just banded strips of color. Notes from our daily routine, morning, afternoon, evening. It really would be nice to do some pages about school. I just really see that happening with these. Again, that's kind of that composition look. Some hearts, stars, and plus sign. This one kind of brings together the pink and red tones. This one can go either direction. And then lastly, today was a good day. Now this kit, I feel like had a little bit more color in it than the June kit. I ended up with a lot of just the white cards at the end of my June kit, but I don't have that many cards that are really just the white border. Most of these cards actually have colors on the borders. So it's kind of a nice variation. I'm just kind of comparing it to the June kit because that's what I just finished working with. And then of course you have your August card that came in the package as well. That's not part of the kit, but it comes with your package when you order each month. That is it for this kit. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I will be back soon. I have a couple more haul videos. I actually did a little bit of shopping. So I have a couple more haul videos to share with you, and then I also have some projects I'm working on. So Make sure you are actually following me on Instagram. I kind of do a weekly recap of where I've been. I post in a couple different places. YouTube is my primary place, but I also am on a story team for Thoughtful Studio, and I post lives on their Facebook group and do a couple other projects as well for other companies. So make sure you're following me on Instagram because I always post like my schedule and where I'll be on there. All right, that's it for today. I will be back soon with something more. Bye.